our own self. We all become knowledge master in our life by our technical skills, and along with knowledge, information, IQ, we need wisdom, emotional intelligence. IQ, EQ, SQ, they all go along in our life. In some part of the life, we need definitely IQ. But as we go more and more higher in our ladder of leadership, we need more emotional intelligence. And spiritual intelligence, SQ, is the base of both IQ and EQ. I will say emotional intelligence is the product of as spiritual intelligence. In one of the study, why it became famous, one doctor, Dr. Daniel Goleman and Dr. John Mayer, they went to a school with a sweet in their hand, and they given the sweet to all the children in the school. And then they say, keep this sweet in your hand. I am going to come back after 1 hour. And those children who will go on keeping the sweet, first sweet, I will give them second. He went away. In meantime, many children, they started thinking, I am holding it, why not to eat it? And when he was back, I think majority of children, except few, they had their sweet already. Those children who were waiting there, they had second sweet. Then he studied those children for very longer period, for 20 years. And he observed that those who were holding the sweet for 1 hour, they were successful in their life. And those who have taken away the sweet within 1 hour, they were failures somewhere in their ladder of leadership. What were the factors which contributed their success in the life? Yes, interaction. What you think, what were the success, those who were holding the sweet and they were doing better in their life?
Discipline.
Discipline. Patience.
Impulse control.
Impulse control. Very good, sir. Very good. This is a very important factor. Almost whole emotional mastery is on impulsive control. What else? Patience, impulsive control.
They were waiting for the second sweet.
They were waiting for second sweet. Okay, good. But it's difficult to hold on when sweet is there.
You want more?
Cake is there. Ice cream is there. For 1 hour.
Tolerance, Bob?
Tolerance,
Content.
determination.
Content. They were content with what they had.
Okay, that is also right.
Yeah.
Contentment, satisfy. The major factor was control, was there. One is definitely self-control. And second is delay the gratification. Because our mind work on two principles, pain and pleasure. And we all want pleasure and we all want to avoid pain. So pleasure work faster than pain. And that is where they want to enjoy it faster. But those people who are tuned to mind-body signals, they can handle pain and pleasure equally. And that is what I am going to share in a few slides. The first slide is E. E is an important caption in different form. E come in man, female, relationship, love, fear, and major E is coming for empowerment, and E means emotion. And I will say three things are melting all over the world. Melting economy, melting environment, and melting emotions. These three things are melting very fast. And that is where we are observing a new problem in a medical history after heart disease, cancer, depression. Depression is becoming one of the major issues all over the world. And if depression continue, many other problems come in the body. And that is why it is becoming now very important. We have to handle ourselves, our people, and our children. And then E goes with the ego also. Now, ego is not a wrong thing, maybe positive, but whenever there is a false ego, then it gives the problem. Whenever there is a false ego, how to identify I have a real ego or false ego? In false ego, we become more stiffer, and our acceptance level become lower and lower. We try to accept ourselves, but we don't accept other people. And I always say ego means E-G-O. E-G-O means edge, good, out. Edge, God, out. The person feel I am doing everything. Without me, nothing will happen. Everyone should ask before doing anything, my order. So ego people create the compartment, departmental store. And that is where human interrelation reactions, relationship becomes harder and harder. This was recently happened in World Cup football. If those people who were watching the World Cup match, I was watching very closely. The person I was showing, he was from one country, very good in skills, technical skills, but had a ban for 9 international matches. He was banned for 9 matches. Why? Because during the match, he emotionally overreacted, was not able to control the self, and damages the other player from other country. And it was well documented, and he was banned. Now you see he was the master of his own field, but lost the match with a fraction of second, with the fraction of millisecond. And that is where the emotion comes in our life. Again, second thing, during matches, many countries were losing and winning, final again winning and losing. And we were seeing, observing different emotions on their people. Some were crying, some were laughing, and more deeper it was there. Few had heart attack, the country which won, and few have a heart attack which lost the match finally. Now winning and losing, both were creating problem in the heart. Why? This is very heavy. Because our mind and body, they are interconnected to each other. I always say our software is there, our hardware is there. Whatever happen in our software, it happen in our hardware. Our software is, you can write down if anyone want to write down. You are not going to get anywhere, any book. TEAM. TEAM. Thoughts, emotions, attitude, memory. Thoughts, emotion, attitude, memory. This is my software. Whenever I am coming to my working place, to my home, leaving home, going to work, going to home, leaving the work, all in society, while driving, traffic problem, my emotion work. I was coming from Nashua to Boston airport, to Washington airport, to San Francisco. Now in Washington, I was well prepared. I was there for boarding. Everything was ready. We boarded in the flight. And suddenly, 1 minute before he was going to take off, they announced they stop us because thunders are there. And we had to sit in the flight for 2 hours. First day 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hours. And when I was sitting, my window seat was there and other 2 seats were 2 ladies. And one lady who was sitting in the middle had a problem, so I cannot come out for 6 hours. Total it went to 7 hours. And total went from Nashua to coming to San Francisco goes to 14-15 hours. So I was totally thinking how I will handle 5 hours sitting quietly. I was telling my mind, oh mind, keep quiet. This is your practical test. You have to sit with easy and enjoy whatever is happening outside. And I started seeing outside, clouds were coming, going, clouds were beautiful clouds, and this sometimes slip away and time pass away. If I cannot react that time to anyone, if I would have reacted, nobody would have get harmed, I would had a problem in my body. And that is where you have to manage every situation in our life by own methods, by creating something positive against that negative situation. During that time I was thinking, I am going to San Francisco. It will be around 8 o'clock when I will reach to center. I will have a good dinner there. Then I will sleep and then I will take rest. So those positive thoughts were neutralizing the negative effect which was happening there. And I was able to take the journey in a better way. So, because this LCD project is a different thing. So self-mastery is the mastery of the life. Self-mastery is the DNA of the life. DNA means D and A. DNA means in spiritual language I will say managing the unexpected. Now this world is full of the 2014 onwards or 2010 onwards I have seen unexpected things are happening very fast. Flight was going and disappear. 3 days, 2 days before flight was going, hit by the missile. 264 people died with the crew members. So now you can think so much uncertainty is there. And uncertainty is becoming the major problem in human life. And I will say